Change password. A password is a secret word or phrase that is used to authenticate a user's identity and grant them access to the system. Passwords are typically used in combination with a username or email address to create a unique identifier for a user and ensure that only authorized individuals are able to access sensitive information or perform certain actions. It's important to use strong and unique passwords and not to share them with others. You can change password from administration. Select Change Password. Enter your current password. Enter new password. Your password should be at least 8 characters long and contain at least one lowercase letter, one uppercase letter, one number, and one special character. Confirm your new password. Click Change Password to change your password. Furthermore, if you forget your password, when you log into the system, you can change your password. By clicking Forget Your Password, you can reset your password. Enter your email address. Click Reset Password. System will send an email to your email address to reset your password. By clicking that link, you can change your password.